A complete overview of Vodia AI Analytics. Dashboard and calls. The main dashboard provides a high-level pulse of your entire system, instantly showing total volume, inbound success, and abandonment rates. By filtering for specific tenants, you can audit the performance of individual accounts to ensure everyone is meeting their service level agreements. Scrolling through the visual charts reveals hourly distribution and routing methods, giving you the context needed to optimize how calls flow through your business. With just one click, you can export call data or agent performance reports to external tools, making it easy to keep your offline records updated and your team accountable. The dashboard AI briefing synthesizes all this data into standout highlights and concerns. This allows you to manage by exception and focus on critical issues immediately, rather than spending hours manually hunting through raw numbers. Navigating to the Calls tab allows for a deep dive into specific records, where you can filter by date or extension to find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. Opening a call detail record reveals the full story of an interaction. Here, you can listen to the recording and follow a visual call flow timeline that tracks exactly how the call moved through your system. The AI analysis identifies sentiment and detects if the issue was resolved. By extracting key topics and action items, it turns conversations into actionable assets, improving team performance without you having to listen to every recording. You can easily share these insights by generating a secure, external link. This allows colleagues or clients to review the call detail, recording, and AI analysis in a clean, standalone view. For added security, these links can be set to expire after a single view, ensuring your sensitive communication data remains protected even when shared outside the platform. Q Analytics. Call records track every detail, while Q Analytics helps you spot trends and analyze the calls of your staff perfectly. The hourly chart reveals peaks to prevent bottlenecks, and agent metrics make it easy to reward your top hitters. When a team is struggling, drilling into these specific metrics helps you find and fix the issue fast. Filtering by specific cues allows you to isolate individual departments like sales or support. This ensures that a customer calling for billing gets the same high quality, fast response as a new lead, maintaining a seamless and consistent brand experience across your entire organization. Our AI briefing does the heavy lifting by instantly synthesizing thousands of call data points into a plain English summary. It doesn't just show you numbers, it highlights standout performers and provides clear, actionable recommendations so you can make informed management decisions in seconds. Quickly email or link the briefing to stakeholders to keep the team aligned and proactive. Extensions and numbers. The Extension and Number Performance tab gives you a clear breakdown of how each member of your team is handling their call load. By adjusting the time filters, you can instantly compare short-term output against long-term trends to ensure consistent agent productivity. Switching to the Numbers view allows you to see exactly which deadlines are driving the most traffic to your business. Tracking top inbound DIDs and outbound numbers helps you identify your most successful marketing channels and key client contacts. This granular data ensures you can allocate resources effectively, focusing your team's efforts where they have the biggest impact. AI Insights. The AI Insights tab takes you beyond simple metrics, providing a deep dive into the emotional health of your customer interactions. By visualizing sentiment distribution, resolution rates, and sentiment trend chart, you can track resolution success and customer happiness at a glance. Top topics and recent negative calls allow you to pinpoint recurring pain points that need your attention. This AI-driven list automatically categorizes the reason for every call, allowing you to see exactly what issues are driving negative sentiment and where your team needs more support. Use transcript search to find specific keywords, like loan, across every conversation to audit compliance or marketing results. Deep dive into any search result to verify resolutions and ensure your team is following through on every promise. The AI-generated summary and transcript allow you to quickly verify the context of the call, identifying exactly where the conversation went wrong or how a representative saved the deal. Finally, the AI Insights briefing summarizes all this data into one report, giving you the ultimate bird's eye view of your performance. Live queue and tenant calls. The Live tab provides a real-time command center, giving you instant visibility into queue health, abandonment rates, and agent availability as it happens. The queue wallboard allows you to monitor waiting times and active calls across different departments, ensuring no customer is left on hold for too long. Below the wallboard, the agent section tracks individual status in real time, showing who is currently active, who is available, and exactly which customer they are speaking with. This live oversight makes it easy to balance workloads on the fly, allowing you to reassign resources or jump in to support your team during unexpected volume spikes. Switching to the tenant calls view provides a focused look at active connections, tracking the duration of ongoing calls and identifying the longest conversations in the system. Whether monitoring a single office or multiple tenants, this live stream of data ensures you stay proactive, maintaining high service standards and optimal team performance every minute of the day. Admin. The administration panel gives you total control over your platform, starting with robust user management to define exactly who can access your data. When creating new users, you can assign specific roles, like queue manager or viewer, and restrict their access to individual tenants or specific queues for maximum security. The IP whitelist allows you to restrict system access to trusted networks, adding an essential layer of security to your dashboard. Under tenant configurations, you can manage specific prefixes and country settings to ensure each account is perfectly localized. Security is prioritized with passkey support, while the AI settings tab offers unmatched flexibility. You can choose your preferred provider, from OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, and Google Gemini, to Llama for self-hosted environments. You can even select specific models to perfectly balance speed and analytical depth. Flexible retention policies allow you to automate data purging and run retention sweeps on demand, ensuring your system remains fully compliant with GDPR and local data laws. SMTP and storage settings ensure your reports are delivered reliably and your recordings are stored securely, whether using local containers or external S3-compatible buckets. Finally, share links provide a clear audit log of all data shared outside your organization. Getting started. Getting started is simple. Securely log in using your credentials or a biometric passkey. With two-factor authentication enabled, your sensitive call intelligence remains fully protected. To connect your phone system, navigate to the admin panel and select IP whitelist. This is where you establish a secure handshake between your PBX and the analytics engine. Enter your PBX address and credentials, then perform a test connection. A successful session confirms that your call data is ready to flow into the dashboard in real time. On the Vodia PBX side, start in the Call Data Record settings. Point the system to the unique CDR URL provided by the analytics platform. Next, navigate to the specific tenant's general settings. Under CDR settings, reapply the URL to ensure that tenant's data is correctly routed for analysis. Your integration is now complete, turning raw telecommunications data into actionable business intelligence with the power of AI. For more information, visit our website or explore our documentation. Ready to get started? Contact our sales team today.